teacher taught you what is abacus. Yes or no, children? Yes, teacher taught you what is abacus. How to add on the abacus, teacher taught you. So, you see in abacus tool, we see when you look at that abacus picture, you say as abacus tool. That abacus tool has two standing lines. The two standing lines are called as spikes. And in these spikes, we put the beads, the round circle ones, we put the beads. And we add the beads. Isn't it, children? So we see the first number. If it is one digit number, we put the beads in one's place. Yes. Then we see the second number. We put the beads in the spike, and we add both the things like the first number and the second number. We add them and write the total number in the box. This is what you have learned in your previous class. Yes or no? So today also you will be learning abacus only. Today's learning objective is draw beads on abacus to get the sum of given addition sentence. They'll give the addition sentence. You need to add that by drawing beads in the spikes and add that beads and write the total in the box. Okay, children? So I request everyone to pay attention. You know, suddenly teacher will stop and ask any child the question. So you should be ready to answer when teacher asks any questions. So for that, what you have to do? You need to pay attention, listen to teacher carefully, keep all the points in the mind when teacher asks you. So in such child, teacher unmutes. If I ask Riyansh has to unmute himself and answer. You should be ready. You must not take lot of time to answer, or you must not take anyone's help. You should listen, keep the points in your mind, and you should be able to answer. Okay, children? Then today's agenda, what you are going to learn in the class. Ground rules, just now I said you have to maintain discipline. Don't move from your place. Don't move here and there. Concentrate what teacher is saying. Don't play with the textbook pencil eraser. Okay, don't play with your brother, sister. Tell them not to disturb you when the class is going on. You have to maintain discipline. Pay attention what teacher is saying. Yes, children? Then only you can learn the concept what teacher is teaching. Then recap, just now I have done introduction, explanation, closure, textbook discussion, and interaction will be done. Okay, children? Yes. So, children, before I start the class, children, there is a video. Just observe the video. After the video, I'll start explaining the concept. So everyone, pay attention. Observe the video. What is going on in it?
Hey, we are at Simi's home. She is using an abacus. Why not learn numbers 1 to 19 using an abacus with her? The abacus has 2 rods and many beads. One rod is for tens and the other is for ones. Each bead in the tens rod represents 1 10 and each bead in the ones rod represents 1 1. Hey, we are at Simi's home. She is using an abacus. Why not learn numbers 1 to 19 using an abacus with her? The abacus has 2 rods and many beads. One rod is for tens and the other is for ones. Each bead in the tens rod represents 110, and each bead in the ones rod represents 1 1. Let us help Simi to read numbers using abacus. Look, there is 1 bead in the tens rod and 3 beads in the ones rod. 1 bead in the tens rod means 110. 3 beads in the ones rod mean 3 ones. So the number is 13. That is 110 and 3 ones. Look at the abacus now. Here there are no beads in the tens rod. That means 0 tens. And 4 beads in the ones rod. That is 4 ones. So we get the number as 4. That is 4 ones. So friends, wasn't it interesting to learn reading numbers using an abacus with Simi?
Yes, I hope everyone understood. Yes. Yes, children. Now, explanation of addition using abacus with 2-digit numbers. In your previous class, teacher taught you how to add on the abacus with 1-digit number. You see, from the numbers from 0 to 9 are called as 1-digit number, and the numbers from 10 to 99, they are called as 2-digit numbers. Okay, children. So today teacher will teach you how to add with 2-digit numbers. Okay. So let us add 12 and 6 using an abacus. First step is 12. So when the number 12 they have given, so you have to draw 1 bead in 10 spike and 2 beads in 1 spike. Then steps 2. So again they gave plus 6. So 6 what you have to do? You have 6 ones, 6 beads in one's place. So draw 6 more beads in 1 spike. Step 3. Count the beads in 1s and 10 spike separately. The number on the abacus is 18. So 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So here I am going to show you how to add. So everyone, here you see how to add 12 plus 6, you see. Yeah. This is an abacus tool. These two standing lines are called as spikes. Under the spikes we have tens and ones place. Okay. Now in this spike we are going to add 12 plus 6. So 12 is the number. So 12, how do we put the beads? Let us see. Yeah. 110 and 2 ones. This is called 12. In 12 we have 110. So we will put 1 bead in 10's place and 2 ones. So 2 beads in 1's place. Then plus 6 they have given. So we'll put 6 more beads in 1's place because 6 is 1-digit number. So we'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, children, this is how we put the beads. 12 plus 6, 12. 12 means in 12 you see that it is a 2-digit number. So 1 is in 10's place. So it is 110. So we'll put 1 bead in 10's place. Then 2 is a 1-digit number. So we put 2 beads in 1's place. Plus again 6 they have given. So 6 is 1-digit number. So we'll put 6 beads in 1's place. Now it is the time for us to add. So first we'll add how many beads are there in 10's place. 10's place how many beads are there? 1. So it is 110. So we'll write 1. Ones place how many beads are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones. So 110 and 8 ones is equal to how much? 18. Understood, children? Yes. So like that only we'll see the next one. Here you see, let us add 13 plus 2 using an abacus. 13 plus 2. 13 is 2-digit number. Plus 2. 2 is 1-digit number. Now how to put the beads? Let us see. So, here you see this is an abacus tool. So first number they give 13. Yes, children? So first number they give 13. So in 13 you see it is a 2-digit number. 1 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. So 1 is in tens place, we put 110, that is 1 bead in tens place. Yes, then 3 is in ones place, so 3 ones. So we put 3 beads in ones place. 1, 2, 3. Then plus 2. 2 is 1-digit number, so we'll put 2 more beads in ones place. 1, 2. So 13 plus 2 beads, did we put the beads in the abacus tool? Yes. So now let us add the beads. So first we'll look into the tens place. How many tens are there? In tens place only 1 10 is there. So that is 1 10 means 1 bead. So we'll write 1. In ones place how many beads? Let us add. From down. Let us count.
Madhuri teacher. Sorry. Maria teacher. Maria teacher.
Read the addition sentence. 14 plus 3. As you read 14 plus 3, children, what you have to do for the first number, you should write on top of it tens and ones. Okay, children. So on top of 1 you should write T. On top of 4 you should write O. So 1 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. So if you write like this, it will really help you to write the numbers in its place near the spikes in the abacus tool. Okay. So Bharat, Bharat, your 14 plus 3 is there. You need to add 14 plus 3. Now tell me how to put this 14 beads in the spikes. See, on top of 14 I wrote T and O. T means the full form of T is tens. The full form of O is ones. Yeah. So in tens place how many beads are there? What is the number in tens place?
1.
1. Very good. In tens place there is 1. So that is 110. So you will put 1 bead in which place?
Tens place.
Tens place. So you will put 1 bead in tens place. Very good. Very good. Now see, in ones place what is the number?
44.
Ones place which number is there?
4.
Oh, don't shout, beta. Answer in proper way. Teacher is not talking to you like that.
Yes.
You should also must not give the answer like that. 4, teacher, in soft way. Okay, 4. In one's place, there is 4. So, you are going to put 4 beads in which place? One's place. So, you'll put 4 beads. When you are putting 4 beads in one's place, always you'll count and draw the beads very neatly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Okay. So 14 beads you put in the spikes. Very good. Now plus 3 is there. So what you must do with 3? Bharat? Yes, Bharat. Plus 3 is there.
Yeah,
Bharat?
Bharat. Maybe some.
Yeah, plus 3 is there. What you have to do with 3? You put 14 beads, no? After 14 beads, plus 3 is there. What you have to do with 14? What you have to do with 3?
Where you have to draw the beads?
Tell Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Do it fast, beta. The class will end.
Yeah. Actually,
You have to draw 3 beads. Where? Which place? One's
actually,
place.
from
You have to
my
draw
teacher, I think so, ma'am.
3
From
beads in
and
one's place. So after place 3 is there, no children. So 3 you'll draw 3 more beads in one's place. 3 is one digit number. So you will count and draw. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So Bharat, you finished drawing the beads? Now add the beads. So when you're adding, first which side you will add? Tens place or ones place? Okay, teacher, unmute one more child, teacher.
yes, teacher. Abhishek, unmute yourself.
Abhishek,
Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. You can ask the question to Abhishek.
Yeah, Abhishek. Yeah. Now 14 plus 3 beads you have drawn in the spikes. Now you have to add. Now you'll add from which place? Tens place or ones place? First. First tens place. So in tens place, how many tens are there? How many beads are there? In tens place, how many beads are there? One. So you'll write 1. Okay. In ones place, how many beads are there? Count carefully. Count, Abhishek. Abhishek,
Abhishek.
count
Hello.
ones place, how many beads
I'll
are
go
there?
for another child then.
Yes, teacher.
So, Shrika. Shrika, unmute yourself. Please,
Shrika,
Shrika. Then you have to be. Yes, you
yeah.
have to be fast enough to unmute yourself and talk.
In ones place, how many beads are there? Count, beta.
Teacher, more 10 minutes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Count fast, beta.
7.
Count from down.
7, teacher.
Shrikar, count from down in from ones place. 1. Count. I want you to count numbers. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
very good. Like that you have to count. Okay, 7. Very good. Yes. So 7. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. This is how you will draw the beads, children. And you will add. So always keep in mind, first number if you see 2-digit number, on top of the 2-digit number you will always write tens and ones. So if you write like this, it will help you to draw the beads in tens place and ones place. Okay, children? So I hope everyone understood. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Yes. Now everyone open your textbook. All of you open your textbook.
Yes, children, everyone open your textbook.
Open your textbook, all of you. Yes. Textbook page number 46. All of you
Devang, open
open.
your textbook. I couldn't see your textbook, Devang.
Yes. All of you open textbook page number 46. Write today's date, children. Textbook page number 46. Write today's date. 24.7.2020 CW classwork. Yes. Yes. All are ready, teacher?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes, very good. So everyone has written date and classwork?
Yes, children, write today's date. 24 dot
Yeah.
7
Teacher,
dot
unmute
19.
one
See the
child,
new
teacher.
pattern. Yes,
Unmute
teacher.
one child, teacher.
Sri Lalita Haripriya, unmute yourself. Sri Lalita Haripriya. Sri Lalita, unmute yourself.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Better
Sri
you have to
Lalita,
be fast.
please read the sentence. What is given? What is the heading? DRAW. Read from there.
Read the heading better. Draw.
Sri Haripriya. Please read better.
Okay, teacher.
Children, what happened? 1J, nobody is answering me properly.
Okay. Yes,
I was
actually,
praising y'all. Today nobody is answering. No one is ready. Taking lot of time to answer.
Shauryan, unmute yourself. Shauryan,
Sharian,
unmute yourself, Shauryan. Yes, children. Unmute yourself. Shauryan.
Sharian,
Okay, teachers. Shreyasa, unmute yourself. Shreyasa. Shreyasa, unmute yourself, children. Yes, teacher, you can ask question to Shreyasa.
yeah. Shreyasa, read the heading beta. DRAW. From there you read.
Draw beads on the ABACUS abacus and add.
Very good. Applause to a teacher.
Yes,
Very
teacher.
good. Yeah. Teacher, unmute one more child, teacher. Yes.
Yes,
Children, you have to draw beads on the abacus and add. Okay?
Parnikya, unmute yourself. Parnikya. Parnikya, unmute yourself. Yes, teacher, you can ask question to Parnikya.
Yeah. Parnikya?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. So what I said, so when you get 12 plus 5, you see if you see the first number as 2-digit number, you should always write tens and ones on that number. T on the number 1, O on number 2. Yes? Now Parnikya, tell me how you will put these beads 12 plus 5. Now first tell me how you will put 12 beads. Tens place, how? What is the number?
1.
1. So you'll put one bead where? Which place? Tens place you're seeing 1. So you put one bead in which place?
1.
Which place?
Yes, teacher.
10.
Tens place. Yes. In ten. You see you wrote T on top of 1, no? So you'll put one bead in tens place. Yes. Very
Yes,
good.
teacher.
Yeah.
More 3 minutes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. I'll do. Yeah. So in ones place, what is the number? Ones place, what is the number? 2. Parnika, are you listening? So you'll put
Yes, teacher.
two beads
Parnikya.
in first place. 1, 2.
Yes.
Parnika, then 12 beads we put. Now plus 5 is there. 5 beads where you'll put?
5 beats.
Which
1.
place? Ones place. So you'll count and put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Yes. Now count in tens place. How many beads are there?
1.
1. So I'll write here 1. In ones place, how many beads are there? Count the beads. Count from down. 1. Panika, count.
Count fast,
1,
beta.
2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
6,
7.
Seven.
So 12 plus 5 is